Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In these videos, we are showing you how to solve this equation which is minus 1 divided by square root is equal to. And now, look at my solution. The first step, we let square root h by y. Let y equal square root 8. And now we get y squared equal square root 8 squared. We simplify square roots and squares, we get 8. And then we replace y squared in this, and square root 8 we replace by y. So we get y squared minus 1 divided by y equal 2. And then we multiply both sides of this equation with y. So here is times y. And we multiply it y times y squared, we get y power 3. And minus y and times 1, we get y. And y divided by y, we get 1. Equal 2 times y equal to y. And now I change 2 y's from the right hand side to the left hand side. We get y power 3 minus 2y minus 1 equal 0. And now I can rewrite here is y power 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2y minus 1 equals 0. We simplify this, we get it's the same. So now y power 3 plus 1, we use the formula that a power 3 plus b power 3 equal a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And so here is, we get y plus 1 and multiplies y squared minus y times 1, we get y and plus 1 squared equal 1. And here is minus 2y and minus 2 equals 0. And then we get y plus 1 times y squared minus y plus 1, and here is take minus 2 out of factor, we get y and plus 1 equals 0. You see this, y plus 1 is the same, so we take y plus 1 out of factor, we get y squared minus y plus 1 and minus 2 equals 0. And then y plus 1 times y squared minus y and minus 1 equals 0. Now we have two factors equal 0. That's if a times b equals 0, we get a equals 0 or b equals 0. So we use the formulas, we get here is y and plus 1 equals 0, or here is y squared minus y minus 1 equals 0. So we get this here is y is equal, we change 1 to the right hand side, we get negative 1. And here is, we use the formulas when we have the equation that h squared plus bh plus c equals 0, we get h equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here is a equal 1, b equal minus 1, and c equal minus 1. So now we get the value of y is equal negative and negative 1. Plus or minus square root of negative 1 or squares, minus 4 and time 1 and time negative 1. And divide by 2 times 1. And it's equals is 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared equal 1. And 4 times 1 times negative 1 equal negative 4. And we get this plus. 1 plus 4 and divide by 2. And it's equal 1 plus or minus square root 5 and divide by 2. So now we get the values of y is equal negative 1 and y is equal 1 minus square root 5 divided by 2 and y is equal 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2. But we know that y equals square root 8. So y must be positive. So but y is positive. So here is y is negative, we don't take it. And here is square root 5 is equal to 0.4. So here is 1 is minus square root 5 is negative. So we not take. Here is we not take. And here is we not take. So we use only one root. So if y is equal 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2. So we get square root 8 equal 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2. And I raise both sides of this equation to square. So I get here is 8. Let's simplify this. And equal, here is we use the formula that we get 1 and plus 2 times 1 times square root 5 and plus square root 5 squared equal 5 and divide by 2 squared is equal 4. And equals 6 and plus 2 square root 5 divided by 4. And divide by with 2, we get 3 and plus square root 5 and divide by 2. And so now there's 8 equals 3 plus square root 5 divided by 2 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye. See you in the video.